Hey everyone, it's the Eclectic Candyman here today looking at this Rock Doctor tile and grout cleaner, trying to see how well it does cleaning up the grout. Let's check it out. Alright, so I had done a bunch of research online because I have a grout issue like many, very dirty. You know, this has grease or grime or soap and dirt and all kinds of things, much like any tile floor. And what really should be happening is this grout should be sealed on an annual basis. But of course, I have not kept up with it in this situation and it's gotten dirty. Now I'll leave a link up top for another video where I did seal the grout. So once you do this process, you want to make sure that you're sealing it at least annually. I had done some research to see, and there are concoctions you can put together from homemade products like baking soda, water, vinegar. It seemed like, though, there were so many different recipes, I didn't have time to try out like 12 different combinations. So while I was at Lowe's, I picked up this specific tile and grout cleaner from Rock Doctor. There was another one from Goo Gone. I just wanted to see maybe from the convenience how well this stuff worked. So the only thing we're going to need is the product itself, a bucket with a sponge and some water. And I went ahead and picked up these. You could get these at Harbor Freight or Lowe's, but it's basically just a multi-pack or a wire brush. This one came with 3 different consistencies. You know, this one's probably for metal, this one's in the middle, and this one's a little softer. I'm going to use the softer variety of this so that when I spray this, I can clean the tile with this. Now, I don't want to use one that's too abrasive because I don't want to start tearing up the grout here and have to re-grout the line. So we'll just use this brush and it'll help us along. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a try. The directions state to spray it on the grout line and let it wait. So you can see there we've got this dirt mark. So just spray it on the line. And then I've already got some right there ready. You can tell it's pretty rough there. I'm just spraying along. All right, that should be good. We can do a section at a time. All right, we're gonna let that wait 1 to 3 minutes and then start scrubbing a little bit. All right, so I've got my brush that I noted and I wanna try it out on some of this more stubborn grout because ideally, like to give you an idea of the color, it should be like that. That's a lot cleaner. It should not look like this. So I've been letting that sit for several minutes and let's check it out. And when you get close to the wall, what's nice about this one is it's got like a little end where it's a little stubborn. So in there, I'm not applying too much force, by the way. And this stuff does not smell, in my opinion. I mean, it doesn't have any harsh odor or anything like that. Well, I'll tell you already, I can tell quite a difference. So let's take the bucket, just takes this water, there's nothing fancy on here, and kind of rub it up, clean it up. Well, I don't know, folks, you tell me, but I'd say that I'm pretty happy with the way it's coming out here. I think my sponge is the only thing not performing. It's kind of old. But yeah, look at that. I mean, that's quite a bit different. I didn't do anything but follow the directions. I just sprayed it on, let it wait a couple of minutes, use this brush and wipe it off with water. So I would say mission success. I think it's a pretty good product, and the convenience of already having it in a spray bottle and not having to mix something together, I think is worth it. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. I'll continue to use it on the rest of the floor here and clean up some more grout. And then when I'm done, I will make sure to seal it so I don't have to get on my hands and knees and keep doing this part all the time. Here's some grout I have not cleaned yet. And then going over to the part I did clean after it's dried and the finished product. Looks nice. Anyway, a quick video here from the Eclectic Candyman. Hope you found this helpful. And until next time, we'll see you later.